Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dialogflow tutorials. In this session, we are going to create chatbot using Entity. Now, let's get started and firstly, create a new agent. I'm going to create a new agent saying PizzaBot and click on create. Once you have created the agent successfully, go to default welcome intent and delete all the default text responses and add new text response. Welcome, how can I help you? And click on save. Once you have saved the default welcome intent, we need to create entities first. Click on entities. You can see there are two types of entities here. One is custom and another one is system. Click on create the first one and add the entity name pizza breadsticks. Once you have entered the entity name pizza breadsticks, you need to add entry entity. So click here to edit entity and add large breadsticks and click enter. Similarly, add one more entity, that is small breadstick, and click enter. Now you have to click on save. As you can see, our entity has been successfully created. Now go back to the entities. You can see our entity is visible here, pizza breadsticks. I want to create one more entity now. So follow the same procedure. Click on create entity and enter the entity name. Again add the entry entity. Click enter. One more entry entity and click on save. Go back to the entities and create one more entity named as pizza toppings and click to add entry entity and click on save. Go back to entities. You can see we have successfully created our three entities named as pizza breadsticks, pizza size and pizza toppings. Now go back to intents and create a new intent and click on save. Once you have created a new intent, go to add parameters and action and add a parameter entity as @pizza size that we have already created. When you enter the value, make sure you first enter the dollar symbol and then your value and click on required checkbox and enter the validation and click on close. Similarly, add another one parameter as pizza toppings entity again @pizza toppings value, add a validation such as which toppings you need and close. Add one more parameter for pizza breadsticks. Add a validation for pizza breadsticks saying what size breadstick will you prefer, small or large, and close. Now let us create some training phrases. Click on add training phrases and add some training phrases. I want pizza. Click enter. Add some more training phrases saying I want small pizza with green olives and large breadstick. Select small pizza and click on the entity that you have created, that is pizza size. Select green olives and select the entity that you have created, that is again pizza toppings. Select large and entity that is breadstick. Go to the responses and add a text response saying your order is added successfully to the cart. Please enter your name. Nextly, go to the context, click on add context and pass a output context for the customer name that we are going to fetch. I'm going to add customer name and click on save. Once we have created this intent successfully, go back to the intents main page, create one more intent for the customer name. Pass the context in input context, that is customer name. Click on save, add the parameter first, add a validation for this saying enter your name once again and click on close. Now provide some training for the bot. Go to training phrases, enter a expression saying my name is Neha. Click on Sneha and add the entity, that is system.given_name customer name and click on add and press enter. Add one more training phrase saying I am Pranjali. Click on the name and add the entity and enter. You can add as many as training phrases you want. Now go to responses and add a text response saying thank you customer name and enter your contact number and go back to the context and add a output context saying contact number and click on save. Once this intent has been saved successfully, create one more intent as contact number. Pass the input contact, go to action and parameters and create a parameter name contact number. Entity I'll enter as @system.any. System.any is any type of entity you can enter. You just need to train your bot. Next value, add a validation for this saying enter another number and click on close. Now go to training phrases and train the bot. I'm adding the expression saying my contact number is so and so. Click on the contact number only and select the parameter name and press enter. Go to add responses and enter thank you hash customer dot customer name. We will contact you on contact number. Hash is used for the reference purpose. Once you have added the text response, click on save. Once your intent is saved successfully, go to integrations, select web demo, activate the toggle button, click on the link provided by the web demo. We can see our chatbot is created by the name of PizzaBot. Now we will test it. I'll say hi, welcome, how can I help you? So I'll say I want pizza. So I want now small pizza. I want mushrooms. So I want small breadstick. Your order is added successfully to the cart. Please enter your name. So I'll say my name is Sneha. Thank you, Sneha. Enter your contact number. I'll enter my contact number. Thank you, Sneha. We will contact you on the contact number is specified here. Now we have successfully created the chatbot using entity. Thank you guys for watching this video.